Thinking of building or expanding your manufacturing facility in the UK? The 2025 industrial strategy is about to change everything, from where you build to how you secure it. In this video, we'll break down what manufacturers need to know about investment zones, energy reforms, planning changes, and how to future-proof your site. Let's start with investment zones. These are high-growth areas offering tax incentives, infrastructure funding, and innovation support. Sounds great, right? But with strategic importance comes strategic risk. If your facility is part of a cluster, like Advanced Materials in Manchester or Clean Energy in Inverness, you'll need to plan for elevated threats. This means tailored risk assessments, integrated physical and cybersecurity, and collaboration with local networks. Next up, energy reforms. The government is cutting electricity levies and speeding up grid connections. That's good news for your bottom line, but it also means greater reliance on smart infrastructure. Smart grids and logistics systems need protection. Cyber threats, energy disruptions, and infrastructure sabotage are real risks. Our approach at Equilibrium Risk combines physical and digital safeguards to keep your operations resilient. Planning laws are being streamlined, 25% less red tape, and faster approvals for strategic projects. But less oversight means more responsibility. Security must be embedded early in the design process. From CCTV placement to access control and perimeter protection, every decision should align with planning laws and your business objectives. At Equilibrium Risk, we help manufacturers build proactive security cultures. Our quarterly security and focus meetings provide training, threat updates, and metrics to show the impact of your security investments. Security isn't just a cost, it's a strategic asset. With our support, you'll make educated decisions, define risk tolerance, and take ownership of your facility's safety. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Subscribe to our monthly newsletter for expert insights, security trends, and updates on the UK industrial strategy.